carpentry is one of those jobs that require very precision in each and every cutting, or else the project will not last very long. But having accurate measurement and operation is not possible without having the best power tools. And you cannot decide which brand delivers the best tools because of the similarity in looking. In this video, we'll make a recommendation of the brands that make the best tool for carpenters. So without further ado, let's pay attention to the video. Every brand makes the same power tool nowadays, keeping the same technology. But that does not mean all of them are the same in their performance. So observing the opinions from many professionals and home users, we have finally come to a point. While reviewing the opinions alongside the tools, we have practically seen that each brand is good at manufacturing individual products for so long. For a better understanding, let's dig deep into the names and the aspects. Milwaukee has been leading the market for almost 100 years since they set up their business in 1924. Their recognition grew when they released the famous lightweight one-handed drill called the Hole Shooter, and now the company offers dozens of different construction and outdoor power equipment. Milwaukee is well known for their M18 cordless tool lineup. They provide exceptionally robust performance in the circular saw, having 5800 RPM and 750 cuts on a single charge. Likewise, corded and cordless drills are also popular to consumers. More importantly, their tools can perform in extreme conditions because of being lightweight and rugged at the same time. They also developed a one-key solution that enables companies to maintain and manage all the battery-powered tools efficiently. So, from contractors to carpenters, Milwaukee can be a valuable toolmaker for performance and durability. No matter if you are a professional carpenter or hobbyist, the ergonomics will play a significant role to you. Because this is what actually makes a tool handy and easy to use. Hence, Dewalt is pretty good at making tools designed to be driven in your palm. Founded in 1923, Dewalt introduced the radial arm saw and started their journey in the innovative world. Speaking of large tools, Dewalt is pretty good at their table and miter saws. For example, they presented the DWS 779 12-inch compound miter saw, which can cut in bevel from 0 to 48 degree, having a 10-stop angle setting. So this kind of design and capacity attracts many professional workers to choose Dewalt tools among others. Makita started gaining popularity in the 60s, though they came to the market in 1915. First, their planer came into the market, then the drills. Today, Makita is one of the well-known and innovative power tool brands out there. Moreover, they include all the power tools you will ever need to set up your woodworking shop, ranging from sanders, routers, circular saws, angle grinders, hammers, and impact drivers. Focusing on the cordless tools, Makita made a good impression for their cordless drills and impact wrench. Their 18-volt LXT battery system is quite impressive and ecosystem friendly. Their tools are so compact and small in design even after providing the powerful performance. So, if your carpentry job takes place on a remote and above the ground site, Makita tools are the best choice for you. After starting carpentry with a minimal performing router, Bosch will offer you the eBay router to upgrade from that. The company is owned by a 90% charitable organization making quality, reliable, flexible, and high-performing tools. Like Dewalt and Makita, they also focused on the battery. As we have said, Bosch provides the best routers in the market because their aluminum construction makes them one of the most durable wood routers yet, with wooden handles on a fixed base and a soft grip handle on a plunge base. For an example of performance, their 1617 EVS-PK wood router will maintain a constant speed throughout the cut, so you get cleaner, more accurate results. After the router, their jigsaw and sander played quite well at the market. The Bosch ROS 20V SC palm sander is so famous for having a pad dampening system equipped with it. So Bosch is a good choice for carpenters in case of choosing tools for designing the woods. Ryobi is one of the affordable tool manufacturers founded in Japan and owned by the same company as Milwaukee. Although their performance is not robust in maximum tools, for a budget investment, you can pick them. Speaking of the brad nailer, Ryobi's airstrike technology eliminates the need for a compressor. It is powerful, adjustable, accurate, and can be used for a variety of applications from interior trim work to assembling craft projects. Furthermore, you can try their orbital setter and jigsaw as well. But we recommend you to stick with the airstrike brad nailer for the best performance. As the simplest tools have a significant role in carpentry, using the handy chalk line and square can give you accuracy without having the hassle to fit those in the tight workspace. For the Tajima chalk line, the overall quality is 3 times that of any other brand, and the mechanical operations of these chalk lines are smooth and trouble-free. You'll feel the quality as soon as you open the package. Then speak of the square. Starret squares remain surprisingly accurate and making you buy a decent one. Their limitation in framing projects is the short length of the body. The rule itself is handy, and you could pull out the rule for making off materials or to check the depth of a cut. So that was all about the tool quality and aspects from the tool brands. We hope now you know who makes the best tools for carpenters according to their spatial focus on different features in the woodworking tools. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.